Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will see practice set 15.6. In last practice set we have seen about the first question. We have taken out the area of the circle. Today we will take out the diameter of the circle. Area is given. As you know that what is meant by area, the space occupied by an object or the shape, that is called as the area. We will take out the area of this circle. Already given area, with the help of that we will take out the diameter. Okay, see here in this figure, OP is the radius and MP is the diameter. Means diameter is equal to 2r, double of radius, that is the diameter. See here, as you know that area of a circle is equal to pi r square is equal to pi fixed value 22/7, radius we have to take out, and area is given, that is 176. Therefore r square is equal to 7 into 176 divided by 22. When we divide this, 22 1s are 22, here 22 8s are 176. When we multiply 7 into 8, we got 56. Means r is equal to under root 56. But we have to take out the diameter, and diameter is equal to 2 into r is equal to 2 into r means 56, and unit is centimeter. Now in second question, area is given, that is 394.24 square centimeter. First of all, in solution, area of a circle is equal to 394.24 square centimeter. As you know that the formula of area, that is pi r square is equal to 22/7 into r square. And what is given? Area, that is 394.24. We have to take out the radius, that is r square is equal to 394.24 into 7 divided by 22 is equal to, when we divide, get 17.92 into 7 is equal to 12544. Therefore a radius is equal to 125.44 is equal to 11.2 centimeter. As you know that diameter is a 2 times radius, therefore D is equal to 2 into R is equal to 2 into 11.2. When we multiply, we got 22.4 centimeter, and this is our diameter. Okay, got it? Now in third, area is given, that is 12,474 centimeter. In solution we will write that area of a circle is equal to 12,474 centimeter. Then formula, as you know that is pi r square. Area is given, we will write that is equal to pi means 22/7 into r square as it is. Therefore r square is equal to 12474 into 7 divided by 22. When we divide this, we will get 567. Then 567 into 7 is equal to 3969. But this is the r square. We have to take out the r, that is under root 3969. Now 3969 is the square of 63. That's why r is equal to 63 centimeter. But we have to take out the diameter, and diameter is the 2 times of radius, that is 2 into r is equal to 2 into 63. When we multiply, we get 226 centimeter. This is our diameter. Means with the help of area of circle, that is pi r square, we have taken out the diameter. पहिल्यांदा आपण रेडियस काढायचा आणि रेडियसच्या दुप्पट असतो डायमीटर, त्याच्यामुळे रेडियस काढून डायमीटर आपल्याला इझिली काढता येऊ शकतो. ओके, धन्यवाद.